how to add drop down column in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then you can just go to your sheet. Next is just, let's say I want to add a drop down here on the last column. So let's just mouse over last column, right click, and then click on insert column right. Okay, now just name your column. So let's say I'm going to name this as status, and then click on drop down list. Then here, if you want to allow multiple values per cell, you can just turn this on. And if you want to restrict to list values only, you can just turn this on as well. So let's say I'm going to turn both of them on, and then let's just use list your values here. So let's say I'm going to list completed, in progress, and then not started. Okay, so just click on OK. And then once you're here, you can select any of the rows here. So let's say, let's just click on the row on test here. Click on drop down. As you can see, now we have all of our values here that we just added earlier. So let's say if we just finish doing the task on this one, you can just click on completed, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.